Hello, I'm Rick Hurd, Service Manager at Promarks, and today I'm going to go over something that some of you have seen before, and I've noticed. Sometimes when I buy different products from other companies online and things, and they come in, I've noticed that they're vacuum packed. Like if you buy pillows or bedding, sheets, blankets, all kinds of things, the foam pads for beds. I've seen so many things that we've purchased that come in vacuum packed, and they're so much smaller and compact and easier to ship. And this is, we want to show basically how this works with a vacuum chamber right here, as you can see. And I've got these two blankets, these two beautiful blankets that my mother-in-law made, handmade. You can see these, very, very nice. And you can see also that they're very tall. You're looking at probably close to 11 to almost 12 inches high. I've got them stacked right here, and I'm gonna pack them just like you see them right here. So let me get started real quick packing these up, and then I'll show you how they look. So as you can see, I've bagged these blankets now. Put them in a vacuum bag right here. And still quite high profile, very large. I put the other one inside the machine. You can see how big this is in here. And then we put the opening of the bag over the seal bar right here. And then I'm gonna put one of these boards on top to give it a little weight to press it down a little bit to help push some of the air out of it. And then we'll run the machine. All right, so like I mentioned, I'm gonna put this board on top. That helps kind of put some pressure down on it and push some of the air out of there, help do some of the work. And close the lid. That's vacuuming down. Now you can see the result of pulling all that air out of the bag. So I'm gonna move this board out of the way. And there you have it. Vacuum bag. Now I'm gonna do one more. I'll show you real quick how we take this bag right here. Set it right inside. Just open the bag. Lay it over here like that. Put one of these boards on top. Put a little weight on it. Make sure the bag's straight across there, good. Close the lid. Board out. You can see how compressed that is now. So you're really saving up some significant amount of space when you're doing your shipping. So now what was almost 12 inches, it's only like 4.5 inches high. So it's significantly less space in a box than the size of the box you're gonna need. Not more weight, but you get a lot less space.